Hi, my name is Carrie. I'm from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and I've been with Restore You Wellness almost a year. I reached out to Restore You Wellness because I knew that I, number one, I wasn't feeling well. I was happy laying on the couch all day long. I had several symptoms that I had seen Courtney post about online, fatigue, just pretty much everything that she was talking about. Um, I felt like I had that symptom, and I just knew that I needed something specific for myself. Or I knew that I needed something specific and unique to me. And that's what Restore You Wellness has to offer. Describe my experience with Restore You Wellness as just top of the line. They are available as I need. Any questions, very willing to help answer those questions. Discuss medications, or sorry, discuss supplements, discuss, just problematic things as they arise, or just work through, whatever scenario is currently happening. I think my favorite component with the clinic is just it's all around complete care. I mean, it's the mental aspect because of the health coach. It's the food, the nutrition, the exercise. It's just such a unique thing. It's very specific to whatever someone needs. And I love the attention. I love the information. I love that it reaches so many different people because it's truly specific to you and what's going on in your life. And they just help with the full gamut of wellness, health, mental, the whole thing. From a convenience standpoint, it doesn't matter where I'm at, whether I'm at home in Oklahoma City or I'm in the office in Tulsa. Being able to have the kit sent to me to go to the lab, schedule it myself, find some place wherever I am locally. Just the convenience of having the medicine or supplements sent to me, and just access to my coaches, whenever I need, whenever it fits me, not me fitting their schedule. It's just truly such a convenient way to do medicine, to do health and wellness. I love talking about my results. It's been almost a year. I was laying on the couch, literally had no energy at all. And even though I was miserable, I felt like I was happy with that. But I knew in my heart that I wasn't. And fairly quickly, I could see such positive results. Now, it hasn't always been easy. This is a journey. It's not a sprint, and I have to keep that in mind. But very quickly, I started feeling better. And once I felt better, I was up off the couch and I wanted to interact with others and really just continue to go on and live life as I used to in the past. The biggest impact is I want to go to the gym. I love being at the gym. I love to lift. I've been running, which is, I'm not a runner. I just found joy in being back at the gym and doing those types of activities. I would highly recommend anyone that's looking for functional medicine to try Restore You Wellness. I mean, it's truly such a unique process to every single individual. And it's not something that I don't feel like I've been put into a box. Like if I were to go to a conventional doctor and said, hey, I'm having anxiety issues, I might receive a type of prescription based off of that. But it's more than just my anxiety. It could be a bunch of other things. And so if you have any, I would just highly recommend giving it a try. See if you feel better. And I know that you will. And I'm so grateful and thankful for you and this type of opportunity through telemedicine and just, functional medication or functional medicine in general, and just not feeling crazy. Like it's okay to have all of these things. And all of these things are because of what's unique to me and what's going on inside my body, and not necessarily just something that somebody reads somewhere and go, oh, I need to diagnose her with this. Give it a try. I think that you will be very happy with the results.